Here we go. We can relax now, everybody. We got a little time to wrap it up. That's why we can smile. It's tough to smile when you're in the middle of, as a forecaster at least, this kind of turbulence, if you will, with wind and snow and whatnot. So I'm going to go to work, and Semino did a heck of a job. He really did. Any flurries early, slush will refreeze, sunshine for tomorrow, quite cold, and Wednesday a light snow, but a light snow at that, and a little bit of mix in and around the tri-state area. So in terms of snow amounts, you know you did a forecast that's good when you don't have to change the graphics. That's exactly what I said to Chris. A good forecast means you just don't change it. Now, maybe a little boring to you, but because you saw the same numbers, but we kind of did it, and it came in different ways. What did we do? 26 inches in Freehold. You see Newark in, you see Colts Neck, you see Englewood. Some of these places overperform. Now the refreeze, and the refreeze will occur because there's a heck of a lot of snow on the ground, and that's going to once again freeze over. 15 is wind chill factor up to the north, 27 in the city, and tomorrow again it gets better, but much better by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So the storm is gone. It swung itself out, and once it's gone, things will settle down and have settled down and will continue to settle down. There it is, on its way to who knows what, probably Europe. All right, over the eastern end of Long Island, who knows what Montauk Point will end up with. They probably will be in that 30-inch bullseye, still snowing out there. This is the graph model, and you can see in the Futurecast, not much going on. And it's the first time we've been able to say that in 30 hours. And the northwesterly winds coming on in very, very nicely. And the Futurecast shows a little bit of precip. There's a little bit of overriding here, and it looks like a little bit of snow. And I want to accent a little bit of snow, maybe 3 to 6 hours. That's it, and then gone. And then Thursday, again in the morning hours, looks pretty good. And then on Thursday, again, another shot of a little bit of moisture, but then we moderate very nicely. So 34 degrees for tomorrow, and then Wednesday, right around 40 degrees, a little light precip on Thursday as well. Not a big deal. 42, 47, 46, finally a good-looking weekend, and maybe a snow shower around on Monday. Now, you see little precip pops here. Do not be concerned. Do not be worried. The very big story here is it's over, big time, for a long time.